And you'll need an eraser, pencil, and some pencil crayons. And I also have this. I really like this. This is a electric eraser, and it's like, okay, listen to that. And it makes erasing so much like easier and faster, and accurate. Okay, so let's start with our Pichu. Let's start with an oval, like an oval like that. Okay, and then let's do his ears. Actually, you want to also put a cross in between. You don't want a light cross, okay? Just very light, because you can erase that later. And then I'm gonna draw a line here, doink, and a line here. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw a little line right here, and a line right here. I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna connect this line like here. 1, 2. Oopsies. Okay. I'm gonna draw a little darker so you can see. And then I'm gonna go like this. 1, 2. Because Pichu's got these ears, it looks kind of like a kite. And then this one, let's do over here. Let's go 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Okay, Pichu. You know, I think his ears are too far apart, but it's okay. And then let's draw a little circle in the middle like that. Okay. And his eyes. 2 circles here. A mouth. Line here. And then kind of like a V-shaped U. And then I'm going to draw a line right here for his tongue. He's smiling and laughing. And then I'm going to draw a circle here. And a circle here. Okay, that's his face. And then I'm going to draw the body now. Okay. There you go. Like right there. And I'm going to draw a circle here. Now these shapes are going to overlap. A circle here. Okay. And then I'm going to draw like a U right here. And a U. And that kind of looks like a C. But you know, like the shape. A shape like this here. And a shape like this there. Right there, okay? And then he's got these like zigzag lines right here. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Okay. All right. I think now here we're going to need the eraser. So I'm going to erase some of the lines inside. So it's going to take some time to erase all these lines. And it's going to be easier with my electric eraser. I feel like the dentist. Yeah. This does remind me of the dentist. Do you guys like going to the dentist? There we go. I think I got most of it. Okay. There we go. Oh, there's a few more right here. Alright, that's much easier. Okay, oh, I forgot. Here, these lines here, the lines over here. Right there. Okay, so you want to get it to look like this. If you accidentally erase some of the lines, you could just redraw them right here. And on the real Pichu, I think these ears are way too far apart. They should be closer in. So maybe you guys could do it like that. This might look a little different then. It's okay. All right, now what are we missing? Oh, the ears. So I'm gonna put, the ears will look like this. I'm gonna put, so it's gonna be the shape. And then now it's gonna have this little V right here, right here. And this is kind of tricky, like that. Do you see that? Do you see that shape? And same here, I'm gonna, dun, and then a V shape here, and then kind of put that inside that ear. Okay? Is that, how you guys doing? Okay, now let's start coloring him. This is the fun part. I like coloring. So I got my pencil crayons. And let's start to color. Let's color Pichu. So Pichu's yellow. So we always start with the lighter colors first. There's still some pencil line here. I'm going to erase all that. Okay, I'll fix that with a pencil. Okay, so color away. Yellow, 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 yellow. I'm just gonna color really quickly. Wait, I made a mistake. This part's yellow. This shape inside the ear is yellow. Don't worry, we're gonna color that other part black. Okay, and I sometimes like to move my paper to make it easier for me to color. You could always turn your paper around. No. So there we go. Because I like to do this up and down motion. And then the body. Let's color the body. You know what? I think I forgot something. Pichu's missing something right here. We're missing the tail. A tail. Let's draw that. Let's give him a tail, okay? This is gonna look like this. And then looks like a little flag. You know what? I'm gonna put this part. I'm gonna fix this line right here. Good thing I have this eraser. It's gonna go in a little bit more like that. There, like that. Okay. There we go. That looks cuter. Okay, now I'm gonna get out black. Okay. And I'm gonna draw a circle right here first for the eye. Alright, I'm gonna draw a circle right here. And I'm gonna color this eye in. Da, 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 da. There we go. I'm just doing this really quickly. Let me move my hand so you can see. Okay, you see that? There. Oh yeah, right here, under here, I'm gonna color those zigzaggy things. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Alright, there we go. La 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 la. He kind of looks like Charlie Brown. Okay, right there. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. The tail is going to be black too. Okay. And his foot, let's put two lines over here. You see his foot? Let's go 1, 2. And 1, 2. And now let's color his rosy cheeks. Let's put some red there. Let's put his little blush. There we go. Now, let's make a nice red circle right there. And let's color his tongue pink. There we go. And then the other part, let's color red. Or no, let's have something darker. There we go. Let's use this. A dark red. If you have like a dark red. There, it's done. There's your Pichu. Now, if you want, you can also outline it. When you outline, you want your pencil a little bit sharper. So I'm going to get my sharpener, pencil sharpener. And I'm going to sharpen the pencil. Oopsies, maybe it was too sharp. And I'm going to outline it. So I like to just turn, oopsies. It's too sharp, it's like breaking off. Oh, I'm going to color that nose too. There we go. Yeah, okay. Outline. You just outline everything. Okay. There. Pichu. Pichu's so cute. Okay, outline everything. There. Alright, if you like this eraser, there's a link down below where I got this, so you could pick one up too. I really like it. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. If you want to learn more English or have some English activities, subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.